A well-known Midlands philanthropist is retiring. Samuel Tenenbaum. He helped raise over $72 million for Prisma Health, benefiting the Midlands for years to come. As Alicia Nieves tells us, his community service spans more than 4 decades.
And you always had to pinch yourself. How did this little boy from Savannah, son of immigrant, get here?
Samuel Tenenbaum knows how to mobilize the good people in our community.
It's not any one of us, it's together how we do this.
For the past 12 years, as president of the Prisma Health Midlands Foundation, his work paved the way for countless patients to get the care they need.
And the great part is we don't know all those individuals and they don't know us. So it's sort of like the highest form of charity, you're anonymous. But we're providing the necessary services to help and prolong life. And that's just a great joyful feeling.
One of the keys to exceptional health care, he says, is technology, and it's expensive.
The dollars that we raise stay in our community.
But by teaching potential donors about where their money was going and who it would help, Prisma Health received state-of-the-art equipment under his tenure.
People would take a tour and they see this, and they hear the doctors and the nurses talk, and they said, I'll help you. And some people would write a check for $50,000 to buy that one piece of equipment.
In 2001, following the terror attacks of 9/11, Tenenbaum worked with White Knolls students to raise money.
This new fire truck that we're going to deliver to New York.
Over $500,000 bought Brooklyn Company 101 in New York City a new fire truck, earning the students a spot on a float in the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
When you got involved in any particular thing, it became the paramount thing that you had to do. You did your best for it.
In 2005, Tenenbaum led the Midlands relief operations, coordinating an evacuation shelter for Hurricane Katrina evacuees.
It was about the community, not me, not us volunteers, but all of us. We brought in over about 2,200 people in 24 hours.
That same year, Tenenbaum received the Humanitarian of the Year award from the United Way. His retirement begins June 1st.
I slept and dreamt that life was joy. I awakened to find that life was duty. Behold, I acted, and duty was joy.
Alicia Nieves, News 19, WLTX.
Well, during Sam's tenure with the Prisma Health Midlands Foundation, he also helped secure funding to create vital programs for the hospital that help child abuse and behavioral health patients.